Government and opposition butt heads in Gordon House after Holness administration rejects Contractor General proposal. Good evening and thanks for joining us for Primetime News. A special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. I am Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, NWC management and unions locked in meeting after island-wide protests.
Plus, the scenes at some NWC offices today, including heated exchanges in St. Andrew.
Garbage in gullies, a special report by Dara Smith.
PNP money woes affect weekend conference.
And in the business news, Finance Minister to table a bill in Parliament to restore incentives under the Junior Stock Exchange.
There's also sports commentary E-Prime as well as primetime weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What's your view on the decision by NWC workers to disrupt supply and protest action against the pace of wage and fringe benefits talks?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.